Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. I've not done this sort of video for a very long time, so I thought let me just sit down and share with you guys all my makeup favorites that I've gotten recently. ऐसे कई सारे makeup है जो makeup अभी बहुत सारे makeup launch भी हुए हैं. So these are all my recent makeup favorites that I am going to share all under rupees 500. या तो ये वो 500 के अंदर है या फिर 500 तक का ही आपको मिल जाएगा. So yes, without further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. मेरे पास आज ढेर सारे आइटम्स हैं एंड सबसे ज़्यादा तो मेरे पास लिप आइटम्स हैं. मैं इन्हें पकड़ भी नहीं पा रही बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ आइटम्स एंड ये सारे आइटम्स ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ 500 के हैं तो मैं कुछ भी दिखा दूँगी. दिस आर ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड एंड ये मैं डे टू डे बेसिस पे लगाती हूँ, यूज़ करती हूँ. सो दिस आर ऑल द मेकअप आइटम्स. ये रहा, ये सिर्फ लिप प्रोडक्ट्स है जो मैं आज के इस वीडियो में दिखाने वाली हूँ. एंड दिस आर ऑल द beautiful other makeup items that I have. These are high performing, very paisa vasool and very good for the price that you are paying. So let's quickly get started with today's video. मैं अपना Amazon का कार्ट खोल रखी हूँ so that I can look at the prices and tell you guys कि इनमें क्या ऑफर्स है क्या नहीं, ये कितने में फिलहाल पड़ रहा है. So let's go one by one. Let's start with the base and all the foundation, concealer and all sort of my base makeup. So since I've stopped using foundation, but the most affordable and a beautiful high performing foundation जो मैं use कर रही थी is the Swiss Beauty का Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation and it contains hyaluronic acid and this is what it looks like. आप हालत देख पा रहे हो. So this one retails for 529 rupees but फिलहाल ये सिर्फ 374 का आपको मिलने वाला है. And let me tell you that ये पूरा full coverage है, so आपको इतना सा लेना पड़ता है and it just gives you such a beautiful full coverage look, very lightweight, बहुत ही comfortable आपको महसूस होता है. So if you're looking for a high performing, really effective, high coverage foundation under rupees 500, then this is my number one suggestions right here. मैं और कोई foundation नहीं दिखाने वाली हूँ because according to me, मेरे हिसाब से मैंने ये तो 3 बॉटल मैंने इसका यूज करा है. So I know how good of a foundation this is. It just matches my skin tone so beautifully. The next serum that I will highly recommend is the Mars Cancel Concealer and I have the shade 04 Neutral Charm and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I have recommended this before and I'm still going to recommend this. इसके पहले मैं Swiss Beauty का यूज कर रही थी for the longest time. 5-6-7 साल से मैं Swiss Beauty का यूज कर रही थी. I was not experimenting with my concealer, but then when I switched to this, I just couldn't go back. It's the most creamiest concealer that I have ever used and ये बहुत ही seamlessly blend हो जाता है. It just gives you such a beautiful finish which I absolutely love. So let me just check out the pricing. So it retails for 249 rupees. इसका MRP already बहुत ही कम है, around 249 rupees, but फिलहाल आपको ये सेल पे 179 rupees का मिल रहा है. So just go ahead and stock up. So this is what the shade 04 Neutral Warm, I think, yes, Neutral Charm looks like. Definitely a must buy if you're looking for a very affordable concealer that actually cancels out your dark circle and gives you such a pretty finish. मैं वीडियो को बिल्कुल लंबा नहीं करना चाह रही हूँ, so मैं briefly सब कुछ बता रही हूँ ताकि आप लोग समझ भी जाओ, ज़्यादा बोर भी ना हो and ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को मैं दिखा पाऊँ कि आप 500 के अंदर आप actually भी ले पाओ. Then I have this right here. Let's go on and talk about my favorite blush that I have. It's from Swiss Beauty. It's the Dew It Up blush and I have the shade 01 Peach Fuzz and it looks like this. Let me just check out the original pricing. So आपको ये original pricing इसका है 349 rupees but फिलहाल ये 276 का आपको मिल रहा है. I got this last year. हाँ, I got this last year and ये मैं अभी तक यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इट इज़ स्टिल सो फ्रेश, लुक्स सुपर नाइस एंड देखो कितना ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी फिर भी बचा हुआ है. आई लव इट सो मच. इट हैज़ दिस कोरलनेस ऑन टू इट. अगर आपको एक कोरल वाला शेड बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, यू गोना लव दिस शेड राइट हियर. आई लव इट सो. ओह माय गॉड, इट जस्ट ब्लेंड्स सो सीमलेसली एंड आपको सिर्फ बहुत ही थोड़ा सा लेना पड़ता है बिकॉज इट्स सुप्रीमली पिगमेंटेड. सो बिल्कुल ऐसे लगा मत लेना बिकॉज इट्स सुपर पिगमेंटेड and this is what the shade looks like. आप देखो, I love this sort of coral, muted coral या फिर orange shade that looks so nice. इन स्किन टोन पे ना especially ये सब colors बहुत ही प्यारे लगते हैं. You look super pretty, super polished and super nice. Next I have two different mascaras. I've talked about this so many times and I'm still going to talk about this. So this is the Mars ka Double Trouble mascara. This is what I'm wearing. Oh my god. If you have non-existing eyelashes, please take my word for it and get this beautiful mascara. So this retails for 299 rupees but आपको ये 278 rupees का फिलहाल मिल रहा है. Again, you can use the 5% off का code. It has a volume wand and it also comes with a length का wand. धीरे धीरे आप लगाओ. Let the just apply the length one, let it dry for a few minutes and then go on with your volume ka wand and it just gives you the most fuller looking lashes. Please mark my words and get this, one of the best, highest performing mascaras in an affordable category that looks so good. जब ये bubble mascara launch हुआ था ना, बहुत ज़्यादा controversy हो रहा था कि अरे यार everyone is saying it's good, obviously it's a paid one, सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं, but everybody was not liking it. Most of the people were not liking it, but मुझे तो पता नहीं क्यों people are not liking it because I freaking love it. So this is the Maybelline का Colossal Bubble Waterproof Mascara. Yes, why I don't use it often? It's because it's a waterproof one. अगर मुझे पता है कि मैं long hours तक बाहर रहने वाली हूँ and I actually want my makeup to last for a very long time, I will have no time to go ahead and do touch up. That's when I actually go ahead and wear my waterproof makeup. But whenever I feel like I have to actually go ahead and wear my makeup for long hours, that's when I go for this mascara because it's an waterproof one and you get this for the original price is around 649 rupees but ये फिलहाल आपको सेल पे 447 rupees का मिल रहा है. Again, you get a 5% का discount, so you are getting this for 425 rupees. Spider wispy वाला lashes look ये देता है, which I absolutely love. अब इसका wand देख ही पा रही हो. It is just going to give you that wispy spider sort of eyelashes, which I freaking love. The next item is something that I don't wear often, but whenever I wear it and apply it, I just go awestruck because ये कितना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. ज़्यादातर I just avoid it because I don't like using a lot of eye makeup, but whenever I use this, I'm like, oh my god, it just looks so nice. I am not a fan of very deep kajal wala person. I don't like going too super bold with my eye looks. Just simple works the best. When I went ahead and got this kajal in the brown color, I just fell in love with how my eyes look. This is the Mars का Wund Smudge Wund Pudge Smooth Glide Matte Kajal. Shade मुझे याद नहीं है कौन सा मैंने लिया था. It's just brown color of kajal and it looks like this. अगर आपको काजल चाहिए and you don't want it to be very loud, please go for brown kajal. एक brown होता है जो बहुत ही deep brown होता है, but ये brown ना बहुत ही हल्का brown है, sort of a pastel brown color. आप समझ पा रही हो? It's very light brown looks like. मैंने 2-3 बार swatch करा है, so that's how it turned out to be a little dark. But when you go ahead and apply this, you're gonna get one of the most prettiest looking eye look. So if you're looking for soft looking kajal, this is definitely a must buy. मेरा बैटरी खत्म होने वाला है, but I still have all my lip items that I have to recommend. So let's start with a no-brainer that I always recommend, and it is my Mars का lip liner. These are no bullshit lip liners. Work supremely well. बहुत ज़्यादा pigment है, and this is just for 69 to 70 rupees. I highly recommended, all-time favorite lip liners from my end. Everybody knows. Whoever is here on my channel they know that I freaking love this. हमेशा हर बैग पर ये एक तो आपको मिल जाएगा. So this is my first lip recommendation. Then I have again one of my absolute favorite from Mars. These are the matte mousse lipstick. Again, a very frequent recommendation. I love it. I have the shade 03 and 02. 03 is this one is our second time purchase. बहुत ही सुंदर है. Looks supremely well. ये मेरा और दीदी का favorite shade है. A very good and affordable dupe of the Rare Beauty का lip souffle, I believe. I forgot the name and it looks super fine. So this is the shade 03. One of my absolute favorite from the Mars Matte Mousse collection. This is the shade 03 Queen and this is the shade 02. It retails for 299 rupees, but फिलहाल ये आपको with coupon सिर्फ 250 rupees का मिल रहा है. Oh my goodness. So just stock up on this shade 03 and you're gonna love me again for recommending this. And my last two lipsticks recommendation are for Maybelline. This first one is the Maybelline York Serum Lipstick. I have the shade 106 Maybelline. It's soft, maybe it's soft satin, and this is what it looks like. ये आपको satin as well as matte variant का आपको मिल जाएगा. I have the satin one in the shade maybe it's soft, and it just turned out to be one of the nicest blind buy that I have ever got. And oh my god, अगर आपको एक muted nude pink हल्का सा pinkish tone में nude चाहिए, this is the one you should go for. A very comfortable formula on the lips, looks supremely well and will suit actually almost all Indian skin tones. This retails for, the original price of this is around 599 rupees, but ये फिलहाल आपको just 490 rupees का मिल रहा है. So if you have been wanting to try the newly launched Maybelline का serum lipstick, this is a very nice time to actually get your hands on it. And my last recommendation has to be the Maybelline ka vinyl, or however you pronounce it, vinyl lipstick, and that's what they look like. I have the shades Saucy as well as Witty, and this shade right here has to be one of my absolute favorite shades from vinyl lipstick collection. And original price is for 849 rupees, but ये फिलहाल आपको 466 का आपको मिल रहा है. So again, अगर आप vinyl lipstick try करना चाह रहे हो, but you're not wanting because of the higher end pricing, please grab it now. So this is the shade Saucy. Oh my god, just look at that shade. A very cool tone sort of shade has to be Witty. Oh my god, look at these shades, you guys. You're gonna love me. Get your hands on these two shades if you are just wanting to try only two. Just get this or this. अगर आपको दोनों ही try करना, आप कर सकते हो, because just look at this shade. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it. सारे products के links मैं description box में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग जरूर check कर लेना. And do not forget to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.